नोएडा के मारवा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय 5वें ग्लोबल फैशन एंड डिजाइन वीक के तीसरे दिन का भव्य रूप से शुभारंभ किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत गणेश वंदना के साथ दीप प्रज्वलित करके की गई। स्कूल ऑफ फैशन एंड डिजाइन की डायरेक्टर प्रोफेसर ऋतु लाल ने कार्यक्रम के विशेष अतिथि एम्बेसडर ऑफ कंबोडिया अंग सीन, एम्बेसडर ऑफ ट्यूनीशिया हयत तलबी, चार्ज अफेयर्स मंगोलिया से चानरव बुरेन बायर, एम्बेसडर ऑफ बोस्निया एंड हर्जेगोविना टू इंडिया से मोहम्मद सेंजिक को फेस्टिवल बैच देकर सम्मानित किया और कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की। इंटरनेशनल चैम्बर ऑफ मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के अध्यक्ष संदीप मारवा ने सबसे पहले इस कार्यक्रम के सभी अतिथियों का सबसे पहले स्वागत किया और कहा कि मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हर तरफ से मुझे संदेश मिल रहे हैं। पूरी दुनिया से इतना सुंदर फैशन शो आयोजित करने के लिए बधाई भरे संदेश मिल रहे हैं। ये मेरा कर्तव्य भी है। डिजाइनर्स, मॉडल्स और जिसने भी इस फैशन शो के लिए मेहनत की है उन्हें और साथ ही प्रोफेसर ऋतुलाल को भी मैं बधाई देता हूँ।
We were planning and trying to have this festival when we quoted that these are the things which we are going to happen, that this is what we are going to perform. Trust me, many people never believed me. Today I can very confidently say that at the end of the day, this end of the evening, we will be showcasing around about 700 different garments designed by 200 different designers with almost 45 furniture designs by design students in these 3 days with almost covering 52 countries. And I'm so happy that the whole event is being now covered by more than 500 media houses of the world.
विशेष अतिथि अपर्णा अग्रवाल ने कहा कि मारवा स्टूडियो में आना मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है और मैं सभी स्टूडेंट्स को फैशन एंड डिजाइन का सुंदर शो आयोजित करने के लिए बधाई देती हूँ।
Very, very warm greetings of this film festival to all of you. Fashion and Design Week to all of you. And I'm looking forward to the amazing designs which are going to be showcased today. So my best wishes to all and warm welcome to all the dignitaries. Thank you.
चार्ज अफेयर्स मंगोलिया के चानरव बुरेन बायर ने कहा कि मैं यहाँ 14 वर्षों से हूँ। मारवा स्टूडियो में मेरा ये दूसरा दौरा है और ये मेरे लिए बेहद ही खुशी की बात है। चानरव बुरेन बायर ने कहा कि हाल ही में 2 अक्टूबर को महात्मा गांधी का जन्मदिन मनाया गया और उनका संदेश है अहिंसा। तो हम चाहते हैं कि लव, पीस और यूनिटी के संदेश को फैशन और डिजाइन के जरिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा फैलाया जाए।
And recently, just about 10 days back, we celebrated the 152nd birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and he has been talking a lot about ahimsa. And I think through love and peace, through fashion and design, we can spread this message more and more.
एम्बेसडर ऑफ बोस्निया एंड हर्जेगोविना टू इंडिया से मोहम्मद सेंजिक ने सभी स्टूडेंट्स की सफलता की कामना की और बधाई दी।
The corona interrupted everything, you know. It seems that it is Marwa Studios 2.0, started again. So I wish you success in your future and projects here, and I'm also looking forward to visit your new studio and university, for which I congratulate and wish you full success. And I'm sure it will happen. So I'm glad to attend this event, and I wish you all participants, all students who did their best or their talents to.
एम्बेसडर ऑफ ट्यूनीशिया हयत तलबी ने कहा कि हमारी संस्कृति को प्रदर्शित करने का ये बड़ा अवसर है। साथ ही हमें अपनी संस्कृति का प्रचार प्रसार भी करना चाहिए फैशन के जरिए, ताकि ये सभी देशों तक पहुंच सके।
To be here at Marwa, Sandeep Marwa complex. It's not my first time. I mean, despite only less one year here, but I met Mr. Marwa many times, and he's doing a very good job. So being really a guest of the 5th Global Fashion Design Week is of great honor for me. because he's always giving us the opportunity to showcase our culture, and it's helpful a lot for our embassies.
एम्बेसडर ऑफ कंबोडिया अंगसीन ने संदीप मारवा को बधाई देते हुए लव, पीस और यूनिटी का भी मैसेज दिया। भारत और कंबोडिया के अच्छे रिश्ते की कामना की।
To everybody, first of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Sandeep Marwa, who has invited me to this fashion show design under the theme Love, Peace, Unity through Art and Culture. We are so delighted to be here for the first time at your studio, because in that we have met 3 times already. The first time I met him, he met me at my embassy. And that occasion he confirmed me a certificate at the patron of Indo-Cambodia Field and Culture.
आफ्टर स्कूल ऑफ फैशन एंड डिजाइनिंग की स्टूडेंट प्रियांशी ने कॉन्सेप्चुअल डायरी रिलीज की। इस फैशन शो में अलग अलग देशों से प्रेरित होकर मॉडल्स द्वारा परिधान का प्रदर्शन किया गया, जिससे सभी अतिथि और स्टूडेंट्स प्रभावित और प्रेरित हुए।
Yeah, so I feel very proud that I have the opportunity to attend this 5th Global Fashion and Design Week organized by Dr. Sandeep Marwa as the President of International Chamber of Media and Entertainment Industry.
What will give you a message for youth who want to join fashion and design?
So because I like very much to watch the fashion show and entertainment, so I feel very happy today that I had the opportunity to attend the first fashion show and design in India for the first time. Since 3 years I was in India.
Sir, we all want to know your views about Sandeep Marwa, sir.
Yes, we met him 3 years ago when he met me in my embassy 3 years ago.
5th Global Fashion and Design Week, how was the day?
It was excellent in the sense that these are being made by students, and the kind of quality of education that the students are getting is displayed through the design week, because I think we have seen some very interesting products. This is the kind of like the base education that students get at this center here, which gives them the the green light to life. I think that's what's very important.
Sir, which collection you liked most?
They were all very good. I wouldn't specify that this was good and bad, but very creative, I would say. Very creative, because they had to do a lot of research, I think, before just actually get into the plan of like designing and making the clothes. So it's a lot of hard work, I thought it was.
Sir, we want to know your views about Sandeep Marwa, sir.
Well, he is a very active personality. He's doing a lot of work, and I think not only a lot of work, but a lot of work for the good of the country. And I think he's giving all this possibility to the younger generation of India.